okay. Oh, I can find anything in this place. Oh no! Oh, come on! Okay, basi. Oh, come Okay, so we're in the game, ba? We're in the game. Remember, we're going for batteries and getting out of here. Okay, fine, but if I find any cameras, I'm taking them. Hey, what? So, okay, Mickey, just, the chemistry wouldn't have expired by now, right? Okay, Mickey, you stay here, okay? Yes, stay here, okay, Okay, so let's like these random doors or anything. We need to find some random doors. Okay, so I'll go find some random keys or something, okay? I'm taking them. So it's gonna be great. Oh, it's gonna be a great day. But where's Mooney? Oh no! Mickey! Okay, man, you're spectating me, okay? Woo! Okay. Okay, Pony should be around here somewhere. Oh my god, my lap baby, because I can't look at you. Hang on. I can move the shelves if I can get my energies. Energy wavies. Yoo-hoo! Get him, Dizzy. Oh, we kicked them. What the heck, man? So we like, a ladder or something. Okay, we get it. So we can just think about it. Okay. That's the right key. Wrong. That's the right key. Oh, I can find anything in this place. Oh, where's the red key? The red key should be anywhere, right? Okay. My friend Mickey is expecting me. That they could be okay. Hang on. Find some red key. I think that could be okay. Or be lit. Okay. Okay, so the red key, the red door. The red key stay with the red door. No, it's not over here. Give me a woo! See, like a battery and a battery. Get him! Oh no! Okay, so you stay here, okay? We need to find some keys, okay? Okay, guys. So we can definitely make in this game, okay? Let's try to get some attachments first. Okay, I have found the green key. Oh, come on! हम चोरी हमके बस कम करेंगे. Okay, so I didn't know the point. Wait, what are you? Oh, okay, you're over here. So you're over here. You're standing still, okay? Okay, well that proves it. You get a point too, okay? Okay, so I need to find a carrot to do this. I can move the shelf out of the way. If I have some carrots. Carrots, what? What do you carrots? Oh, come on! You can't get me Dessa. Woo, this is my move. Get my... Get my friend. Hey. Woo! Get my friend. It's okay. Get my friend. It's okay. Yeah, get my friend. It's okay. Ah! Get my friend. Oh, no. He got knocked down there. Okay, so I found a red key, man. Well, that could be easily open. And there's something here we need to... Okay, I found a carrot. Well, that could be really smart for me. Ow! Okay, well, he dies. Okay, well, it's kind of easy for me. See, that should be around here somewhere, right? Where's Dessa? Dessa? Oh, Dessa! Dessa, no, get me. Get me, please, Dessa. Dessa, I'm at no harm. Okay, I have a remote controller to control the piggies. Woo! Okay, that works. Okay, so we can kind of intermission. Okay, so there's Dessa. Dessa's in the way. So, I'm Chori, I'm gay bossy. Oh, so you stay here, okay? The game mode is traitor, we know that thing. Okay, so we found this. Going to try. I'm Chori, I'm gay bossy. Kam karenge. Chapke, yumbe bossy. Kam karenge. Chore mali. Karengi. Bata. I'm Chori. Piggy is awoken. We cannot let that happen. Woo! Piggy, you cannot get me. That's smart, actually. Okay, I think this. I'm Chori, I'm gay bossy. I'm cutting it. I could move this. Okay, let's get smart. Dessa, you get me. Oh no, we lost. And we won.